Hello everyone, so this is the rhythm notation part 4. So it's introducing the 8th rest. It looks like this. Okay, so here's the hierarchy of rests. At the top here, at the very top you have the whole rest. It's equal to 2 half rests. Each half rest. 2 quarter rests is equal to a half rest. And 2/8 rest is equal to the quarter rest. So these are all indicators of silence in music. In 4/4 time, 1/8 rest equals half of a beat. So just like the 8 notes, they go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And here's an exercise. Fill in the missing beats with the appropriate rests. So here we have 2/4 time, 2 beats per measure, marked off by the bar line. The 4 tells us that the quarter note gets the beat. So we have 1 beat, quarter rest, 2 beats. So this is 1 plus half, so you're missing half a beat or 8th rest. This one's fine, 2 beats. Here we're missing 1 beat. Here we're missing half a beat, so you can join the 8th rest. Here we're missing half a beat, so the 8th rest. Here we're missing a whole beat, so we join the quarter rest. And now we're introduced to the dotted quarter note. So we already know that a dot adds 1/2 the value of the original note. In 4/4, 3/4, 2/4 time signatures, a quarter note equals 1 count. A dot after the quarter note adds half a count, half of the original value. So to recap, a quarter note equals 1 count. Also 2/8 notes. A dot equals to half a count, or 1/8 note. A dotted quarter note equals to 1.5 counts, or 3/8 notes. Here's an example. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. So you can see this dotted quarter note is equivalent to a quarter note tied to an 8th note. And when we say tied, that means it's connected. So when you see this tie here, you count them as one sound. Okay, so that's the introduction to the dotted quarter note. Okay, it looks like a math problem. Answer each problem with only one note. So a quarter note plus an 8th note is equal to 1.5 beats. So that's equal to a dotted quarter note, right? 1.5 beats. Then a dotted quarter note plus an 8th note. This is 1.5 plus half is equal to 2 beats. So then we'd write the half note. Half note is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 beats. So the dotted half note is equal to 3 beats. Dotted half note is 3 plus 1 is 4, so a whole note is equal to 4 beats. Here you have 2/8 notes equal to 1 plus a half, 1.5. Again is the dotted quarter note. 2/8 notes equals to 1 plus 1 is 2, so you draw the half note. Dotted half note is 3 plus 2/8 notes equals to 1, so it's 4. Whole note. Then you have a half note that's equal to 2 beats plus 2/8 notes is equal to 1, so that's 3 beats. So then you'd put the dotted half note there.